Hello friends, welcome to my channel Turning Techie. I'm Ashish and I'll walk you through the endless journey of learning web technologies. This is the first tutorial in which we will cover every details about JavaScript. There would be several episodes which will gradually cover all important features of JavaScript. To start with, we will begin with the introduction of JavaScript. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to get any further details about future learnings. So let's begin. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a lightweighted interpreted language. Interpreted means during compilation, the codes are executed line by line. JavaScript is a language used for creating network-centric apps. One of the advantages of the JavaScript is it is complementary to and integrated with Java. Moreover, this is also integrated with HTML. JavaScript is widely used all over the programming world, and all modern browsers comes installed with the JavaScript. JavaScript is open and supports cross-platform. So this was the brief introduction about JavaScript. Now let's move on to discuss why JavaScript. So JavaScript is most popular language and compatible with the server-side language, that is backend languages like Java and Node.js, etc. JavaScript is everywhere. All the latest browsers like Chrome, IE, Microsoft Edge, and all supports JavaScript. To start with JavaScript, you need not do any kind of setup. If you have any modern browser, you can test your JavaScript code there. JavaScript is utilized in developing apps which are best in graphical user interfaces. JavaScript is also extended to mobile, desktop, and game development. There are tons and tons of frameworks and libraries which are developed on the JavaScript. So let us check out few famous frameworks which are developed on the JavaScript. Angular, Vue, React, Extension.js are few client-side frameworks developed on the JavaScript, whereas Node.js and Backend.js are developed on JavaScript. These are widely and popular frameworks developed using JavaScripts. So friends, let's check out the first basic programming in the JavaScript. So if you want to learn JavaScript, the prerequisite is you should have basic knowledge about HTML and CSS and DOM. I have uploaded a separate video about DOM. You can go through that if you want to have some knowledge about the same. Here we can see to insert a JavaScript code, I've used here the script tag. The language and the type attributes are optional here. Even if you want to insert a JS file, you will use the script tag. But in this tag, you have to mention the SRC, which will contain the JS file path. You can see we have used a no script tag here. This line of code will be only executed in case JavaScript is disabled on the browser. You can print or display any user-friendly messages if the JavaScript is not supported on the browser. Let us now see where the JavaScript is used. JavaScript is used for client-side validations. If you want to do any client-side validations like duplicate value check or non-empty checks, we can use JavaScript to do so. This reduces the server-side load, and we don't have to rely on the server responses to validate the same. JavaScript is also utilized in manipulating HTML pages or tags. Using JavaScript on client, we get immediate feedback on the user input. So no dependency on the server. JavaScript is also utilized for showing user notifications and making server-side calls using AJAX calls. JavaScript is also used to develop rich user interfaces and more user interactive interfaces. Now let's talk about the advantage of using JavaScript. Using JavaScript, we can avoid server calls, hence less server code and server dependency. We get immediate feedback on the client using JavaScript. The graphical user interface becomes more intuitive and richer in look and feel. So these were the few advantages of JavaScript. And now let us talk about the limitations of using JavaScript. So in JavaScript, reading writing of files is not supported because of the security reasons. This is the reason it is less used in the networks app. Hardly find any networking application developed on JavaScript because of the security issues. JavaScript does not support multi-threading and multi-processing capabilities. So that's all, friends, about introduction of the JavaScript. Friends, please do press like button and subscribe to my channel if you really like the video. Thank you for now and have a good day. Bye-bye.